Just keep your eyes focused on the ball the whole time and just hit through that line. You alright?
I can't even hit the ball.
That's alright.
That's disgraceful.
That's a start. That's a start. It's gone over there. And you missed all the wildlife. All of it completely. And there's plenty of it.
Do you want to get that
Plenty of it. Yeah, I'll get it. I'll get it. You start walking over your ball and just hit an iron for a while.
I think I should have hit that big one.
Yeah?
Yeah. That's what I did last time.
And there's the clubhouse. Halls Gap Golf Course.